This is the question of HCF and LCM asked by UPSC in their CSAT paper 2020. The question is, if you have two straight stick of length 7.5 feet and 3.2 feet, what is the minimum length can you measure, right? So see, by seeing this question, it is hard to tell that this is from the chapter HCF and LCM. First thing is, we can't find from which chapter is this question, right? Even if some students are able to find that, they are not able to find, like they have to calculate HCF or LCM. So mostly the HCF and LCM questions are of puzzle type, right? So we have hard to find out like from which chapter they are giving this. Okay, so now what they have given like this is length is 7.5 feet and the other is 3.25. So in this we have to find the minimum length. So minimum length will be less than these number. So less than these number will be what? So it will be the HCF. So here we have to find the HCF because we have to find a number which can be measured by these two number. Okay, by using these two sticks. So we have to find HCF. So now how to find the HCF of decimal number? So see, when we have the decimal number, we have to convert them that after decimal point we have equal number of digit. Here we was having one digit, so I am adding one more digit here, right? So here we have two digit, here we have one digit, so I am making all two digit number after decimal. So here also after decimal two digit number, here also after decimal two digit number. Now forget about these decimal point and normally just find HCF of 750 and 325. So how we do that? We just divide the larger number with smaller number. This is a division method I am using, right? You can use the factor method also. Okay, so this will be 650. When we will minus it, it will come out 100. Now we will divide this 100. We will divide this 325 will come here, right? This 325 will come here, and now we will divide it with 100. So this is how we calculate the HCF, right? So here 25 is remaining. Now this 100 will come this side, right? So now there is no remainder. If there is no remainder, then this is our answer. So this is the HCF of this number, right? Now we was having decimal number, so now we have to convert it into decimal. Here after decimal point we was having two digit, so here after two digit we will put a decimal, so it will become, so after two digit we are putting decimal symbol, right? So this is our answer, 0.25. so what is the answer? B. So option B is our answer, 0.25 feet, right? So these are two stick, right? 7.5 feet and 3.25. But don't try to find out in the exam like how these two stick will measure 0.25 or the what will be the minimum. We have to solve it using HCF, right? So I hope ये question सबको समझ आ गया होगा. If you still have some problem, you can comment or call us or WhatsApp us, right?